Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Selling. Today I will share with you about a new billion project, the mega listing update. Papi Ascension takes off. So final countdown to listing, where whether you are already holding PAP or watching from the sideline, the biggest updates yet are here to shake the entire chain. It is going to listing. Papi now has its own blockchain. I will share the detail, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all, so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this Papi Ascension detail here. So their listing price, you can see the Papi Ascension, faster transaction, bigger rewards, all classic Papi Cham, and you can see they have the minimal transaction cost, and you can see the price which is given here, and you can see raise their time is given 43 minutes, final chance to buy below list price is given here. So do not have given here, so go and that you can see the top exchange listing confirmed. So listing on October 31st are confirmed. 5 top tier CX and DX listing are confirmed. The Papi Sensation PEP is officially confirmed for launch on a major global exchanges including MEX and Uniswap, PancakeSwap, OKX, and plus 15 more tier 1 and US exchanges. You can follow them for real-time listing, trust and security audited by CoinSurf. You can see their detail is given. Token price at that time listing price is rumored to be $3, which is 100x potential here. Current price is still at low entry. The initial price will be 0.003, but the current price is 0.027. Listing price will be $3, which is the rumor here. So discovered early at 0.003. Papi Sensation is now at 0.027 and nearly 10x return. With rumor of $3, it holds a theoretical 1000x upside from the original price. Do not miss your chance to get it before its listing. So furthermore, you can see the updates. Their highlights are given here. The bonus of all holders, welcome to the highlights, where they recap of last 2 weeks building the YETH2 layer. Y PEP zero cut is given. Dual reward for TGE is given here. You can see it here, their details, and bonus system is live. The early and the bigger you buy, the higher or bonus tier. Buy now and get 15% bonus to, PEP limited time only. You can see it here. There is a 2-click launch, anti-rug security, zero cut PEP for profit, and you can see PUB fund both on ETH. You can see their details is given here. You can go for that. 5% of pre-sale funds go to in the dual reward pool, and you can see it here. And furthermore, PEP has raised over 10,000 ETH, and 5% of it's going to straight into the dual reward pool, which is given here. And you can see their details, so which are going here. So if I go and share with you about the ETH, you can see it here. The ETH scan is given. You can see 5% ETH on this page to see the reward pool wallet. Total reward is given here. So PEP has raised over 10,000 ETH, and 5% of it's going straight into the dual reward. If ETH hits $5,000 listing day, where every PEP holder get reward in ETH. If it does not, you still win with a dollar PEP backed by 10% of tokenomics. Right now ETH is 4.5k, and top analysis calling for a 16k cycle. So you can see it here detailed. Also ETH has been on the rise lately. Layer 2 ecosystem are heating up as fast. The rise of ETH will boost layer 2 tokens, and dollar pop is one of them here. So you can see the ether scan, it is given here. And if we talk about the right now ETH price, which is going to be the 16,000 this cycle, based on the ratio of ETH over BTC during its 2021, which is given here. So further, I want to share with you about the zero cut launch pad of 0% tax on PEP pad, which is given here. Dollar PEP is launching with 0% fees on its own custom built launch pad. That's not just another listing. PEP is building its own launch pad, where they are going for meme fueled tokens and future community project. It's not a side feature, it's a core part of PEP ecosystem. What it means, you can see zero cut is given. 0% buy and sell tax on PEP native launchpad. Instant Trading's the movement TGE goes live. Ecosystem tools built to support meme liquidity and viral growth. No middleman, no restriction, 100% transparent. You can see TGE is equal to token platform plus power. Get ready, no text, no limit, just pure meme association. You can see all the details about that is given. If I go further and share further details with you, you can see they have also given the details about that. You can see they have estimated rewards which is given here. Furthermore, the price pump and the massive yields about that is given. So if I go further, you can see the details about the Twitter. The project stay active and up to date. You can see the details about their this details is given about on the Twitter, so you can go and join them on the Twitter. You can see 10,000 ETH raised in 31st October, 5% dual reward. The details about that is given. You can go and see that. You can even go and join them on their Telegram. Their social medias are given. You can even search it on the YouTube like with this hashtag. You can see is taking over social media with thousands of influencers spreading the word across the globe. You can see their videos which will be given here. You can see about that. So furthermore, you can even go and join them on the Twitter. Their details, even you can search it pep on Twitter. You can see the more details about that. Their videos, everything is showing in. So it is the project which I want to share with you. You can see their whole details. The blockchain ecosystem is DX Bridge, and you can see how to buy. You have to create the wallet, select the token and amount, buy and approve. You can see their tokenomics is given. Project development 47.5%, and rewards is 20%. Dual reward is 10%. Marketing is 10%. Liquidity is 7.5% from their total token supply. Team also get 5%. You can see the their phase 1 is about the awakening, phase 2 is about the create. You can see FAQs and other details about that is given. So I share all their details here. So share your thoughts in the comments area, and if you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.